This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Undo the retaining screw each side and withdraw the tail light from the vehicle body. Twist the bulb holder anti-clockwise a little and pull it from the light. Push in and twist the bulb anti-clockwise, then pull it from the holder. Align the bayonet pins of the new bulb with the slots in the holder. Press it into place and twist it clockwise a little to secure it. Insert the bulb holder into the light and twist it clockwise a little. Refit the light to the vehicle body and securely tighten the retaining screws. The directional indicator and fog light bulbs are renewed in the same manner.